Local news about local people. This is Newslink, Indiana.
Good evening, I'm Chris Bavender. Thanks for joining us. IU's Kelly School of Business released its 100 leading high-growth companies for 2004. Newslink Indiana's Stephanie Champlain found a local company that's won top honors 5 times.
You're looking at the country's oldest playground manufacturer, around since 1911, and it's in Anderson.
American Playground is a commercial manufacturer of playground equipment, selling to parks and school systems. We do a lot of business with housing developers.
The company receives raw material, then a computer tells this machine what pattern to cut.
You download a file and it will cut out any shape or form you put into it.
Once the product is built, it's then sent over here to be powder coated. From there, the product's ready to be shipped out in just 2 hours.
Before it is shipped out, the product has to go through a washing and drying stage. Powder coating is added, and then it goes into an oven. American Playground also has a secret. They paint high-end architectural work and farm equipment for other companies. The company even produces soccer goals, bouncing critters, and slides. Its products go as far away as Korea, but as close as your neighborhood daycare center.
They love to play on the playground. They love to climb on the climber and go down the slide.
In Anderson, Stephanie Champlain, Newslink, Indiana.
With less than a week until Election Day, tonight is the only congressional debate between Republican Mike Pence and his opponents, Democrat Melina Fox and Libertarian Chad Roots. Before the debate, Pence campaigned at Ball State.
Magna drivetrain announcement here in Muncie, Indiana. Over the next several years, 420 new good manufacturing jobs coming to Delaware County represents evidence of a real revitalization of the manufacturing sector in East Central Indiana.
The debate starts at 7:30 in the Muncie City Hall Auditorium. You can listen to it on Indiana Public Radio. Now here's Nicholas Ferreri with a look at tonight's forecast. Nicholas?
Thanks, Chris. In the forecast for tonight, mostly cloudy skies. Chance for fog developing as well. Our low will be 49 degrees. Some precipitation developing along a stationary front to our south. By tomorrow afternoon, some also builds in to our west. Look for these showers to make their way in tomorrow evening and then on Friday as well. Tomorrow, our high will be 68 degrees. You'll notice those clouds increase as we head into the afternoon and evening. Our high will be 68 degrees. Chris, back to you.
Thanks, Nicholas. That is Newslink Indiana. Join us at 10:57 tonight for more news and get local news about local people 24 hours a day at newslinkindiana.com.